Hey everyone, welcome back to Azad Couture. This is Jyotsna Azad, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the look of this metallic or shiny dress or a gown, and the tutorial is very easy, so do watch it till the end. So let's get started. So you can see that I have already drawn the silhouette of the gown, and I have also marked some fold lines. So the first step is to add the base color. For the base I'm going to use this golden metallic marker, and we have to add the base color in a very flat manner, so we won't be doing any shading uh, in the first step. So the first step is to just add the base color in a flat manner. If you don't have the golden marker, you can use some golden paint or like golden acrylic color also, you can use that, but I would suggest to go with the marker because it will add a shiny texture in the end, you will see. So after adding the first layer, we can also add the second layer. We can do some highlights, we can highlight some folds by adding the second layer of this marker. So don't add it in a huge amount, just highlight the folds. Now for the next step, we will be using two pencil colors. So one I'm using olive and the second one is this dark brown. So we are going to create the texture or look of this gown using these two pencil colors, and I'll show you how. So firstly we will use a light color, like here I'm using olive color. So now we have to create all the basically shiny area, so that is going to come through shading. So we are going to do shading, so apply the pencil color over the base color in the form of shading. And I have used a reference picture for this, so I'll show you the picture. So basically when we do like when we create the texture of a particular garment, or when we create the look of a particular garment, I would suggest to take reference from any picture, or you can take reference from a real fabric also, or a real garment also. So it becomes easy to create the look of that particular garment using taking help from the picture. So it becomes easy because with the help of this picture I know where I have to apply the color and where I have to skip it. So same with the effect of light, where I have to keep my color light and where I have to keep the color dark. So that also we can get the idea of that also with the help of this picture. So you can also take help of any reference picture. So you can see that using just single color I have created the maximum texture of this dress. So now in the third and the last step, we will add some finishing touches in the dress. So I'm using this dark brown color. You can select the shade of the color pencil according to the color of your dress, and we don't have to apply the color in a very excess manner. I'm going to apply it on the sides, so basically around the silhouette, and then I'll highlight some of the folds, and we have to merge this brown color with the help of the olive color or the light color also, so that the dark color, which is brown here, so the brown color doesn't stand out separately, so it gets mixed with the olive color. So that's why we have to merge these two pencil colors. So this is how basically the shading process works. And you can see that the base color that I have added is also giving a shiny texture in the dress. So that is why I used this golden metallic marker for the base, and I would suggest that you also use the same. So you can see that I'm applying this dark brown color uh, only on the sides. I haven't applied it on the center, and also I'm highlighting some folds using this dark brown color. So I'm going to complete this step and then show you the look. So now for the fourth and the last step, I'm using this white gel pen to highlight some of the lighter area, or to highlight these waves or curves that we have shown in the garment. So we will just highlight the deep curves or some fold lines. There's no need to highlight all the lighter area, and it is not a compulsory step. If you want, you can skip this step also. So I'm going to complete the illustration and then show you the final look. So guys, you can see that the illustration is completed and the look of the dress is amazing. So you also try this technique and share your illustrations with me on my Instagram page. The link is in the bio. I hope you like this video. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.